Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do, we're going to compare Perl with C. So basically what we're doing is creating arrays here, an array in C, an array in Perl, and we're going to loop through them. See which one is the easiest. So let's go over to, let's have a look. This is C here. So we've got the function or the subroutine, and we have to declare char here, which is character. Actually, we don't. That's right, int, that's an integer for numbers. Let me just save that there, sorry about that. So that's an integer for numbers. Right, so we call it numbers, and then we create the array here, and we populate the array with numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we use another integer here, which is an I. So this is going to be the one that iterates over each one of these numbers. And then we come down and we use the 4 here, and we assign the I here to 0. So it's going to start at 0. So the array starts at 0 here. It goes 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so those are the elements starting from 0. Then we use the I again, and we say until I is less than or equal to 3, the third element. 0, 1, 2, 3. So it should stop there. I is equal to I plus 1. Then we come down and we're going to print out the results using printf here. And what we do, we use the D here because we're dealing with data type. So this is basically for numbers. So if you're dealing with numbers, you use the D here. If you're dealing with strings, you use S. If you're dealing with single characters, you use C. And then we do the slash and the new line here, and then we add the numbers and we put the I into there and we return 0. So let's just save that and let's just have a look at that. Let's just run that. Okay, and there you go. So we printed it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Righty ho, let's take a look at the Perl version. Now the Perl version is my favorite. And why is it my favorite? Because it's easier. If you just take a look at it, it's a lot easier to do. So what you do is you create the subroutine here. So this is the subroutine, and we call it numbers, and then we create an array saying my numbers, and then we assign it to 1, 2, 3, 4. So we've got the exact same amount of elements in the array, and don't actually need that there. We don't need that at all, so that makes it even easier. So we've got the array now, and then we're coming on to the for loop. Again, it looks very similar to C. So my scalar number, this is going to be our iterator here that's going to go iterate over the numbers. And then we add the array of numbers here, and then what we do is we print the number here, so we print each individual number. So let's give that a spin. And there you go, does exactly the same job, but in my opinion, a lot easier. So that's just about it. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember, if you're not already a subscriber to this channel, I would ask you to subscribe if you wouldn't mind taking a couple of seconds out of your time. And remember, while you're at it, give it a thumbs up and drop me a comment, and I will catch you in another video. Bye bye.